Why Russia has a terrible geography. The first reason is its access to the ocean. Russia has the fourth largest coastline in the world, but a huge part of its coastline is frozen throughout the entire year, and all the warm water ports of Russia are controlled by countries that are allies of the United States. Russia also has almost no natural protections like rivers or mountains against any invasion from Western countries. This is why in the past it was easily invaded by countries like Poland, France, and Germany. The third and main reason is its harsh climate. Russia is the largest country in the world, but more than 60% of its land remains frozen throughout the entire year and is not suitable for agriculture and cultivation. This is why its population is extremely low compared to arable countries like Indonesia and Bangladesh.